repetition, so it penetrates into our mind. There is nothing left which he has not taught us. So we know everything. But do we follow it? How much do I follow it? This awareness. So we are accepting our frailties. This is important. This is actually a form of humility, to accept our frailties. Accept whatever mistakes we are making. Tum kripalu mohi janat nikyo Radha Radhe. You are my loving, affectionate, compassionate, divine mother. You know me very well. Nobody knows me as you know me. In the world we pretend, don't we? We are never in a natural behavior. हम लोग एक्टिंग करते हैं, घर में भी एक्टिंग करते हैं, कभी कभी बीवी पति के भी आगे एक्टिंग करते हैं. नेचुरल तो केवल बाथरूम में रहते हैं, जब अकेले रहते हैं. बाकी समय कम ज़्यादा एक्टिंग चलती रहती है. But we cannot hide our true selves, what we are internally. The saints can read us. Radha Rani knows us inside out. We cannot pretend before her. We don't need to pretend, because she's the one who's going to grace us. So Radha Rani, you know me very well. Then why are you taking so long? Time is running out. So please shower your grace on me. I have admitted my faults to you. I still have an ego. I sing your glories. I claim to belong to you. I'm a spiritual person. But yet my internal state is not what is expected out of a devotee. I know everything, but I do not follow. So please shower your grace on me. I am yours no matter what I am. स्वामी शब्द आप लोग जानते हैं ना, मास्टर. हमारे स्वामी श्री कृष्ण हैं. अब राधा रानी स्वामिनी है, so what will you say? This is the English language case. So mistress, so what will you say? बस स्वामिनी मान लीजिए. जैसे राधा श्री कृष्ण हमारे स्वामी, तो राधा रानी हमारी स्वामिनी है, और हमारी राधा रानी श्री कृष्ण की भी स्वामिनी है. ये विशेष बात है.